Okay, so the project at hand today is fixing this chipper. I need to do some welding on it. This little ear, I don't know, it was just a terrible weld. It's not like rusted or beat up or anything, it just broke. So we're gonna weld that back on. And then I keep losing the fasteners for the fuel tank. So we're gonna get, there's two down there. There's one up here. So we'll get those taken care of. And then after that, we're gonna come over here and do some cutting on this tree. It's too overgrown. It's right in the walkway. You run right into it when you're walking. So I'm gonna get the limbs trimmed back far enough so we don't do that. And my goal with this tree was to have like a bench right in here. I kind of hollow it out like a little cave tree, you know, so that's what we're gonna get done on this video. All right, start grinding on that piece so we can get it welded. I'm not entirely certain what the best way to do this is, so we'll just start grinding paint off. And a lot of it the welder will take off as well. I think it's just the vibration that did it. I don't know. Yeah, see, that'll go on there like that. I think I can use my whatchamacallit to hold it there. Little guy here, little angle of the dangle. Oh yeah. Yeah, that'll hold it there just so I can, at least so I can tack it on. And this bottom hole is oblong, so it's got to be close but not perfect. All right, we'll get that welded on, and then maybe by then the hardware store will be open and we can go down and get some bolts. All right, with a tank top and shorts, I'm not really dressed for welding, but hopefully this will just be kind of quick. I anticipate it will be, at least. Welder on. The ground is not good at all either. It's about as good as it's gonna get. And we just make it stick, right? Wow, this metal is so thin. Blowing more holes in it than anything. The metal's so thin. I'm going to try to get down, at least on the flange, on the bottom end here. All right. Good enough for free. So here's the end result on that. Not the best in the world, but it'll hold. Now we'll get it painted and bolted back on. All right. Let's get some paint on this thing, at least to keep it from rusting. It's not going to match, but I don't care. All right, let's go put some bolts in. It's so annoying because I went to get these things and I told the guy I needed some flange bolts. And he said, oh, we don't have those. And I said, okay, well then I need some regular bolts with some washers or something. And he looked at the bolt and he's like, oh, those are 1/4 And I said, no, slow down. I said, they're fine thread. You could tell they're fine thread. So I said, if they're 1/4, then they got to be like 1/4 And so he went and checked and said, yep, you were right. They're 1/4 And so he sold them to me. And then I come to find out they're not even, they're metric. you know, and it's like, good Lord. So I just had to go down and I looked for myself. I figured don't trust anybody, just do it yourself. And that's probably the most frustrating part, because when I did it myself, I walked back there, looked at their nuts and bolts. They have a whole selection of flange bolts. All right. I'm going to double check those for tightness. All right. Paint's not dry, but it's going on anyway. I'm quite pleased with how this all lined up with my little rudimentary weld. I gotta turn this one 1,000 times. Let's hear it run. Hopefully it'll rattle a lot less now that that tank's bolted on tight. Get it away from all the dust. All right, everything looks good. Let's go run it and chip some branches. All right, we get to test this thing. It's actually been like a week. Just been too busy. Let's give it a shot though. Okay, I think we're good now. I did hose it off this morning, so I might have gotten something wet I shouldn't have. I've already trimmed the tree. I just need to chip up the branches now. Okay, that's fixed. Did a good job shredding all that stuff up. And this tree is more opened on the bottom now. Let's move on to the next project.